I'm gonna show you how I recreated Wednesday's main titles. Hi, I'm Francesco Birrone and I compose orchestral music. Today I'm gonna show you how I recreated Wednesday's main titles by Danny Elfman in my studio. The first instrument is the harpsichord. This is from the Vienna Symphonic Library. We are in E minor and we have the soprano choir singing some E minor triads on the 3. Let's move to the strings. The violins are very subtle and they just accentuate the intermediate melody from the harpsichord. And then we have cellos and double basses playing some low E's on the downbeat. And on the 3 we have the cellos playing G an octave above. And if we put together the harpsichord and the choir, it's already taking shape. The missing bits are some distorted synths. I'm using Retrolog by Steinberg for this one. And some drums. We have the kick on the downbeat and then leading to the 3 we have some orchestral toms played with brushes. And that's how I recreated it. I hope that sounds close enough. Please, Danny Elfman, hire me. Thank you.